Facebook is one of the most popular social media platforms today, with billions of users worldwide. Whether you are a private user looking to increase the number of followers on your profile or a business user seeking to expand your presence on social media, adding the follow button to your Facebook profile can be a useful option. The follow button allows other users to follow your posts without adding you as a friend. This is particularly beneficial if you want to keep your profile private but still want to share content with a wider audience. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the step-by-step process of adding the follow button to your Facebook profile. The first step is to open your Facebook application on your phone. After that, click on the menu located in the bottom right corner of the screen. Then click on the gear icon located in the top right corner of the screen. Scroll down and find the section called Audience and Visibility. From that section, select how people find and contact you. At the very top, you will see the option Who can send you friend requests. Click on it and make sure that Friends of Friends is enabled. Let's go back a few steps now. Now click on Followers and Public Content. At the beginning, you will see You can follow me. Set it to public by clicking here. With the application of what you have learned, you can take advantage of the follow button and build your presence on Facebook. Continue exploring and utilizing various tools and opportunities that Facebook provides to enhance your experience on the social network.